hope you are well and having a super lovely day today. As always, welcome back to my channel, and today it is time for me to film my October favourites. Firstly, I feel very Halloweeny today. I think it's the dark lipstick, dark hair, dark jumper kind of vibe, but I'm kind of loving it, so let me know what you guys think down below. This lipstick is one of my favourites, so I will be going on to that in a moment. But yeah, I hope you guys have had a really lovely October. I have actually had a really good month this month. I've done quite a few fun things and I've got a lot to share with you. So make sure you're subscribed, stick around, grab a drink, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first two things I'm going to talk about are series on Netflix and Amazon Prime. So the first one is The Walking Dead, which I watched a really long time ago, and I only just started rewatching it with my boyfriend this month, and I am obsessed. I love it so much. I honestly forgot how good The Walking Dead was, and then we started watching it and I was like, oh, it's bringing back so many memories. Like, I absolutely love this series. I'm not gonna lie, zombies really freak me out. They're not my cup of tea. Like, I don't know what it is, but zombies genuinely make me have nightmares and I don't know why. So I absolutely hate it for that reason, but the actual show itself is unreal. So I have been loving The Walking Dead. Definitely a top favourite of mine and my boyfriend's, so love that. My second favourite is also another series, and that is The Society. It's on Netflix and it's really hard to explain it, but it's basically about a group of teenagers who live in this town, and they all go on this school trip and they come back and all the parents are gone, everybody's gone, and they have to kind of live on their own and learn how to live on their own. It's quite graphic and it's quite a lot, so I would probably not watch it unless you're 18, because it is a lot to watch. There's a lot of violence in it and things like that, but it is so good. It's so interesting. Each episode is about an hour long and there's only 10 episodes, which is really annoying, but it's really good. Honestly, 10 out of 10. Been loving that. My next favourite of the month has actually been Starbucks. Now, if you know me personally, you'll know that I'm obsessed with Starbucks. I go to Starbucks on the regular quite often, and I have been absolutely enjoying these little Starbucks drinks. These are from B&M. They're £1 at the moment, and I've just been obsessed. I really like the mocha ones. However, this one is just a coffee one with, I think it has caramel in it or something. It's definitely got something in it to make it sweet. I'm not really sure what it is, to be honest, but it's definitely a lot cheaper than buying a Starbucks. But I am gonna open it now because I'm just really thirsty and I've been waiting to drink this for ages. Yeah, so good. 10 out of 10. Love that. Delicious. My next favourite of the month has actually been my new hair. Now, for some reason on camera I feel like it looks a lot darker, but maybe that is what my hair looks like. I'm not really sure. I don't know whether I like it fully down. I tried to style it earlier fully down and I don't know how I feel about it. I think because it's dark, I don't like it covering my face too much. I'm not really sure, but let me know any kind of hairstyles that you guys do with short dark hair, because I'd love to know. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed. I filmed the whole process. I say the whole process. It was more of a daily vlog situation, but if you haven't watched it, go and give it a watch. Let me know what you think of it. I'm not going to vlog loads. I had some people say they weren't so sure and that they just wanted me to do lush stuff on this channel, but I do want to occasionally vlog, but I'm not going to vlog loads. If like the most it would be is like once a month as like an extra video, but I doubt it's even going to be that much, to be honest. So yeah, feel free to go and watch that if you haven't watched it. I would really appreciate it. But yeah, obsessed with my hair. My friend Flo did it for me. She's a manager in a salon in Bristol, and she just was like, do you know what? Let's take all that dead off. Let's go dark, bosh. And I love it. So thanks, Flo, if you're watching. You've been a favourite of mine this month too. Speaking of vlogging, my next favourite was actually vlogging when I was in Bristol. I had a really good time doing it, and honestly, it just reminded me how much I love filming YouTube videos and how much I love documenting my life and things like that. So yeah, obviously not all you guys are gonna love my vlogs, and I can appreciate that, but if you do like vlogs, I would really appreciate you going and giving it a watch and give me some feedback. Let me know if there's anything else in my life that you want to see, and I can try and document it as much as I can. But yeah, I had a really good time documenting it. I can't talk. It's about 9 o'clock at night. I'm so tired. But I had a really good time documenting it. So yeah, vlogging was definitely a favourite of last month. I really enjoyed it. My next favourite has actually been my Ikea candles. Now, I love candles for this time of year. I feel like everybody, especially in the UK and America, not so much Australia because it's going to be really hot, but in the colder countries, candles are kind of a staple in autumn winter, I feel like, and for me it's just a no-brainer. Like, I love candles for this time of year. I haven't bought candles in such a long time. I feel like I have far too many, so I'm trying to get through them as much as I can. But I love Yankee Candles. I love going to Home Sense and TK Maxx for candles. I feel like I might have to go there soon and get a nice autumn winter candle because I kind of want like a pumpkin-y one. But this one's just from Ikea. It's a 40-hour candle. I think it was like £2.50, £3. It's the strawberry one, and yeah, I'm just really loving it. Not very autumnal in terms of scents, but it does make my room feel cozy, so I can't complain. My next favourite is actually the lipstick I'm wearing now, and it's a really funny story. I picked this up originally as a gift. However, in the shop I was in, they didn't have any samples or testers out because obviously Corona, and I just had to guess by the name, and I had to Google the colour, and I was like, I don't know what this is meant to look like. So I just bought it on a whim, and I opened it and I was like, that person that I'm going to buy it for, it's just not their vibe. So I just kept it for myself, which is probably not the best idea, but I've bought them something else, so it's fine. But this is the MAC lipstick in the shade Double Fudge, which is a really beautiful dark brown. I feel like when I had blonde hair, this just would not have looked good on me at all, but because of the dark hair and like the dark autumnal vibes, I feel like it looks kind of good. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, this was actually in the sale, so it was really inexpensive, and I just absolutely love it. So Double Fudge by MAC if you want a nice brown lipstick. And also it's one of their lip tensity lipsticks, which I think is one of the, like, I don't know, is it soft and creamy? I can't really tell, but yeah, it's really nice. I really love this, and yeah, I haven't bought a MAC lipstick in a long time, so bringing back memories. The next item is a Body Shop hand cream, and this is the Shea hand cream, obviously from the Body Shop. I just said that. I used to use this all the time when I worked there, and honestly every single day I'd put some of this on and it just feels amazing. Not only does it smell nice, and I'm gonna have to smell it, it literally smells so clean and so fresh. It's so lovely, but it makes my hands feel so super soft. Honestly, it's so good. I love the mini ones of these as well. The small ones are about £5. Really great handbag size. Absolutely love them, but I just really have been enjoying this one. I've been using it quite a lot. I have loads left, but I just absolutely love this. So if you guys haven't tried the Body Shop hand creams, I definitely would. They don't leave you feeling oily or sticky or anything like that, so I really like this. I'm a 10 out of 10. Big favourite. And last but by no means least is a pair of shoes. Now this month I have been obsessed with Doc Martens. If you guys know me, you will know I own a disgusting amount of Doc Martens. I'm going to be doing a Doc Martens collection update very, very soon. However, I have been obsessed with them more so recently. I have written out my Christmas list. My birthday is in January, so my birthday and Christmas list. And I'm not joking, there's about 6 pairs of Doc Martens on there, so I'm honestly obsessed with them again, which I love because I love Doc Martens so much. But I've been wearing these quite a lot. And also my cherry red ones and my pink ones. They've been like the 3 I've been wearing this month, but I absolutely love these. These are absolutely wrecked though. They've got scratches all on the front. Like the sides are all completely worn, but they're so super comfortable, and I just love these. I honestly think these are the one pair of shoes, obviously as a whole, that are so worth the money. They do vegan leather and normal leather, and I've worn these shoes, I don't even know for how long. I've had these probably since I was like 16, and they're only just starting to wear on the bottom, so yeah. I wear these an awful lot and I absolutely love them, and for this time of year they're perfect. I just think for autumn winter these are kind of like a staple shoe. I know that chunky boots have gotten back into fashion, which is great for me because I own so many chunky boots. So yeah, let me know if you'd like to see a kind of chunky boot like inspired outfits video. I don't know, I've never done an outfits video on my channel, but we could branch out, so let me know what you think down below. But yes, I've been loving Doc Martens, so if you love them as well, let me know. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it, and I hope you guys had an amazing October. My next video will be a Lush related one, so make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and pop my notification bell on so you never miss a video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!